Welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Study Point Khorampur. Today we shall learn to read Lesson 7. This chapter names The Unity of Indian Culture, written by Humayun Kabir. Now start reading. The Unity of Indian Culture, Humayun Kabir. Humayun Kabir was a famous poet, novelist, essayist and a renowned political thinker. He was a cabinet minister for scientific research and culture affairs during Nehru's prime ministership and Oxford product. He had the proud privilege of being elected president of the Oxford University Students' Union. The present piece is an adapted version of Humayun Kabir's lecture delivered in Baroda University. The lecture focuses on the glorious past of India's culture and its rich heritage. It precisely reflects Kabir's love and faith in the greatness of his motherland. The unity of Indian culture. Till recently, the Aryans were regarded as the earliest invaders of the land. It was thought that they came to a country which was uncivilized and barbarian, but modern research has proved that there were invaders even before the Aryans poured into this land. They had evolved a civilization higher than that of the Aryan hordes who came in their wake. These pre-Aryans had displaced still earlier people and built up new civilization which has astonished modern scholars by its extent and depth. The Aryan invasion repeated the process and led to fresh infusion of the old with the new. This continued with the successive inroads of fighting races who came to conquer but remained to lose themselves in the Indian racial cauldron. The Greek invaders were followed by Sakas and Huns, and 100 other nameless tribes. They all appeared on the skin scene as victors, but were soon absorbed in the ranks of the vanquished.